Hello guys, so this is the second part of the business of luxury goods and accessories business. So now let's continue editing this section. You can edit it from here. So you can delete the items and you can add your item. You can add the link here and the link editor. Now let's move on to the design. So here you can change the wave intensity and the wave width and the text style. And the text size, for example like this. So you have to make it attractive. Now let's move on to the next section. So first you have to delete this and add another one here, another image, put it here and select from library. So here search for luxury goods. For example, you can search, you can type anything here to search on luxury goods and accessories. So for example this, I'm gonna add this. You can add another one here if you want. Let's add another one here. So for example this. In the background you can add just a simple art in the background. Like this. You can change this text here. You can make it more bigger, this the font of this text. Here also you can add just a simple art on the background. So here you have to delete this image, add another one here. Also you can edit this as newsletter. You can change the title and you can change the description if you want. You can change the button text. So that's it. Now let's add the background. So the last section is the footer section. So you have also to add the background on it here. You can edit the grid and the section, the fill screen and the height and the alignments. So that's it. Now let's go to the site styles. So here you can change the colors, you can change the font on these colors here. The themes, you can customize your themes. Now let's move on to the animations. Also you can set just a style, so you can try anything to make your site attractive. On the spacing, you can reset the styles to default. So that's it. Now after you're done from here, you can save this, and let's get back to the styling section. So go to the styling. So the first thing you have to do, add products to your inventory. So you can choose here the type of your products, physical products. So here you can add the product name, for example, just luxury goods, just for example. And the image, you can add the image from the browser if you want. Now let's continue. Here you can customize the price and the stock. You can choose if you wanna turn this on a limited stock or not. So that's it. After this you can go and add the description, add more details. So that's it. Now let's close this. Now you have to add the way to get paid, so you can choose one of these here, the way to get paid. After this you're gonna choose the subscription plan. You can choose annually or monthly if you want. So that's it. Most popular is pay monthly, and you can select this plan here. So that's it. Now let's move on, and the last step here is publish your website and start selling, start your business and go live. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your website on Squarespace for luxury goods and accessories business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.